Hi everyone, this video is about the counter reset and the new section. This drawing has not been calibrated, so we will calibrate it. The quote here are in metric and we want the results in feet and inches. So we will choose the drawing quotes in metric and the results in feet and inches. Now, since the scale on this drawing is 1 to 100, we'll select the 1 to 100 scale and click OK. We give a title. We want to have the floor area. And we have to check our calibration. Let's take a line. We don't need height for this one. Start here. Check with this dimension. The dimension is given here, 135, 39 and 4 inches. And we have 42,400 millimeters. How can we check that? There is a special tool here called converter. So if we rate the 400 millimeters, we should have 139 feet, 1 inch and 19/64. We have 139 4 inches. We have a little more, so we know we have a little more, but it's acceptable. Alright, let's close this. Let's back off so that this doesn't bother our dimensions. And we come back ready for working. We want to have the floor area, so we'll take the polygon. We don't need a height. We will have our walls and the area of the floor. So let's go around. We go around everywhere. This is outside. This one is outside too. Here we will have to move a little. Alright, we move. There. And we'll come back to the other part a little later on. This is outside, this is inside. Okay. Move again. And we are going back to our starting point. There we are. There remains one little part here. We'll take the arc. We'll start from the beginning here, go to the end. Oh, I did it wrong. I go back and start again, but this time I'll start here and go there. Yes. And I have this area added with the rest. If we go on Excel, we will see that our area is 8,978 square feet. that is with the arc area. Now we want to have the dimensions of the corridor walls, but we don't want the dimensions of the walls to get mixed up with these dimensions, because this is one thing and the corridor walls is another thing. This is where we will use the section tool. We click here on the section tool. The section tool is this one here. Really want to reset the counters? Yes. And we have a new section that we will call corridor walls. Alright. Now we have a new section. So all the dimensions beneath here will not interfere with the dimensions that we just took before. Okay, let's get rid of this. Now we go with the corridor walls. Let's move this drawing a little, and we should start here. We'll choose a line. We want to have the height. Okay. Let's put 2527, which is a regular height. And we want to add all of this. Let's start here. And this one here. This is one of them. This is good. We have one little here. And we have another one here. Now we start here and there, and then from here to here, and then from here to here. Whoops, there. Now we have the corridor walls. Alright, let's go and see what Excel says. So we took all the walls, corridor walls, they're here all together. We have the area, we have the length, and it didn't touch our previous dimensioning here. If we want to have another kind of dimension, we still select the counter section tool, and we enter another section. Let's say that we want to have the demising walls. It will give us another section, and what we will figure out here will not interfere with what we had just calculated. Thank you. Have a good day.